Hello, welcome to Tech Easy. Good afternoon to everyone. Welcome to Tech Easy. Good evening to everyone. Today, in this video, we'll see how you can customize your Android mobile home screen like this. See, this is on my Vivo IQ Z7 Pro mobile. So, this is on my Vivo IQ Z7 Pro mobile, and this is the home screen. Not this one, yeah, this is the home screen, and I'll show you a short video. Within less than a minute you can customize your home screen like this is pretty simple. Just watch this video till the end. Yeah. See here, first of all, I have taken 6 apps onto the mobile home screen. So whatever the apps you can take and arrange in this fashion, but the overall look and feel of this phone comes from the background, the BG image what you're appearing here. So actually the video what I have recorded at the starting of the video, the actual quality is not appearing just because I applied the matte screen on my phone. If there is no matte screen, it would be looking a bit brighter. Okay, first of all, where did I got this BG? If you want this BG, please do ask in the comments so that I'll attach in the description. I download Pinterest, and on the search I search for the wallpaper. You can also search something like wallpapers, and there are a lot of options here. Yeah, if this is the wallpaper you like, you need to click on these 3 dots and click on this download image, so that gets downloaded to your uh, internet folder. So whatever is the wallpaper you like, just choose that one according to your taste and preference. You'll find the 3 dots and click on the download. Once you download this, on going to wallpaper settings of your phone, on your Android phone setting, just search for the wallpaper or home screen settings. So I'll just search like wallpaper. Okay, yeah, here is the wallpaper. Click on this wallpaper, and this is the, yeah, here at the top you'll find something like photo symbol, where you can click and you can keep the downloaded folders. Okay, once you keep this, the background or the wallpaper is finished, then you can drag and drop in this way, means in this arrangement, so that it looks good. For example, if you want any other app, just scroll and move to the home screen and leave it here. So the arrangement is your choice. You can keep 2 more here, but these 2 lines are okay for me. That's the reason I kept these frequently used apps. So if you want to use any other like Instagram or something like this, you can keep it here. And coming to this date widget, you can press and hold on your home screen and click on the widgets, and you will see something like clock here. You can keep a analog clock, digital clock. So I use this digital clock. I just dragged and dropped it here. This is the transparent one. So yeah, this is how you can keep one, and you can decrease the size also. In this way you can keep this one. And coming to this Google search bar, I like to search right on the home screen. That's the reason I kept Google search bar on the home screen. That is absolutely your choice. You can find on the widgets, and here you will find this Google search bar. You can drag and drop it here, so that you will get this Google search bar. So in this way you can actually keep your home screen pretty good and attractive. And please do comment in the section below, so that how do you feel about this wallpaper and home screen arrangement.